Hey, my friend Garrett here. Chances are you're watching this video because you're doing your research on Easy One Up. Maybe you want to know, should you really part your hard-earned money into this? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a full walkthrough and really my honest opinion on whether or not I think this is something you want to do. Now, people were asking me, I was getting flooded with inbox messages on my Facebook, Garrett, what is Easy One Up about? Do you recommend it? And the short answer is I definitely recommend it. I've been in a lot of different opportunities over the years. I've tried a lot of different things, and this system is not called Easy One Up for no reason. It's very easy. It's newbie friendly. So whether you've had experience online before or you're just getting started, anyone can really plug into this. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the highlights and why I personally recommend it and give it an A+ when it comes to joining a business opportunity. Now, as you can see, if I go into my account, okay, this is my actual members back office. This is the same back office that you'll get access to if you do decide to join, okay? Now, Easy One Up, what you get access to is there's different levels. There's 5 different main levels in Easy One Up, okay? Ranging from a $25 investment all the way to, a $500, and they're even I think adding more. So there's a lot of ranges you can come in at, but I'm going to urge you to come in at least at the $100 level, because the $100 level is going to set you up to be able to earn really good commissions, and the training at that level is really second to none, okay? So I'm actually in the Elevation Elite, the $100 level right now, and people are asking me, what kind of training is it? Now, what Easy One Up basically teaches, what the products are, is it's 6 and 7 figure marketing training. So if you want to learn how to promote online, if you want to learn how to work from home in about an hour or less a day and make good income, then that's exactly the training that's inside Easy One Up. If I go through, you can see in the Elevation Elite level at least, they have YouTube clickable links, how to make clickable links, YouTube as a social network. Okay, Facebook, Pinterest, copywriting, okay, lead generation autoresponders, how to market on Google Plus. Okay, I mean, really powerful training. So it's really teaching you how to go out there and how to start making commissions, how to start signing people up and do it in a way that's very easy and effortless. Now, you also may be wondering, how exactly, like how much do you make per sale, and how exactly does it work when you join? Are you getting stranded? Or are you actually going to have help? Well, that's exactly what I want to cover right now. You see, the reason I recommend Easy One Up after literally joining probably 5 companies over the last 4 years, I've tried a lot. Some have been great, some have been not so good. These are some of the main reasons I would personally recommend if you're looking to join and you're thinking about Easy One Up. This is why I would recommend it. Number one, there's 100% commissions. Okay, so what that basically means is when you go and promote Easy One Up, when someone signs up through your link, you make money. Okay, that's how it works. Easy One Up is a company with products, and they're, rather than doing all the work themselves and promoting it, they're actually giving people like you and me the ability to go out and promote their products and earn a percentage of a commission. Now, I've been in other companies before where they'll pay you maybe 40% commission. So you may make a $40 sale, and you're not making that whole 40. You're making, a very tiny amount of that. And so it takes a ton of sales to add up. So I personally recommend you stay away from companies like that. But Easy One Up is 100% commission. So what that basically means is when you go out there and you promote using the training inside the system, you make 100% of that money. So when you join, let's say at that $100 level, and I'll include a link below so you can find out more information and go ahead and get started, because you're actually going to get access to my full 6-figure blueprint on how you can literally quit your job in the next 30 to 60 days and go full-time from home. I'll include the information below. But when you go and promote, you're going to make $100, okay? Or if you do the 250, you're going to make $250, that full commission. So that's the first main reason. Number 2 is there's multiple levels to earn at, okay? So some of these companies, and if you've joined me in the past, you know that some of these companies, you make money on just the one level. Well, what if you want to go higher? What if your prospect, your leads want to join at a higher level? Well, it allows you an easy one-up to actually have $100 earning, $250, $500, etc. Okay, so it really gives you the potential to make an enormous amount of money very, very quickly. Now, the third thing I love is it has powerful 6 and 7-figure training. Again, as you can see, and this is just one of the levels, but as you can already see, I mean, there's hours worth of training in here. Absolutely incredible. I mean, anyone can come in, follow the video step by step. You can rewind the video over and over, implement, and start to see some pretty quick results. Number 4, instant payout. Okay, instant payout. You don't have to wait 7 days. You don't have to wait 30 days to get your commission check. When you join today and you start promoting, let's say you make a sign up today using the training, you get that money instantly. Okay, so if you're watching this struggling with bills, if you want to make money fast, if you want to make money quickly and not wait, 30 days to turn around, you can literally click the link below, get started, refer one of your friends, show them this video, refer one of your friends, and instantly make your money back. Okay, it's powerful. Number 5, and I'll leave you with this, the very supportive team. Okay, again, if you've ever joined an opportunity in the past, chances are, unfortunately, sometimes people are left stranded. They don't have a community. They don't have a team and accountability to really support you to go out there or help you. What if you have a question? Are you going to get answers? Well, when you join, you're getting a very supportive team. And just very quickly, I want to share with you that this is the Easy One Up Team Facebook group. Every single day we're having new people join. Okay, welcome Aaron right here. I mean, this is a fastest moving company right now. Okay, so if you're not in this, I highly recommend you decide to join at the link below right now. Okay, so these people make money. Major news coming later. Okay, so they're constantly posting. People are asking questions. Hey everyone, I know how to get leads, et cetera, et cetera. Any advice? Okay, and these people are answering. Okay, so you're not going to have your questions left unanswered. So again, if you're watching this video, my friend, I hope you realize why I personally went with this. People were asking me, flooded of questions. Garrett, why are you joining this? Why are you, why is it so recommended? I hope you enjoyed this video, my friend. If you have any other questions, be sure to comment them below. I'll try to get back to them as fast as possible. And go to the link below and just get started. Again, you've seen why it's so powerful. Don't put this off. You can literally join today, refer your friend, and already make your money back like that, okay? And then you're just set up to earn. Highly recommend it, my friend. Hope you enjoyed it. Click the link below, and I will see you on the inside.